Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is your first time visiting my channel. Try your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content, and try to refer your network to this channel. Try to like and comment so that YouTube will push us to a high level of audience. In today's video, we shall dive to 5-minute step in the best trading strategy. Nobody can tell you this. I'm releasing this, I'm exposing this because I really want a lot of people to make it, but you should know this secret. You should know this secret. It takes a strong hand to build you first before you become strong on your own. You need to join our VIP. Okay, that is by the way. So this is the chart. Make sure that you are at the least soon level. Make sure you are at the least zoom level. Okay. Now, when you have done this, you can zoom to the first to monitor the reality about the swings. You need to know how it is swinging, the swing sequence. So this is a swing. A swing is where price retrace and change direction. This is a swing. Here is also a swing. Let's mark it. Remember, this video will last for 5 minutes. Let's mark it. Let's call it brown, kind of brown. So this is a swing. So we need 3 swing to confirm a sequence. So here we see that all these swing, the 3 swing, this 1, 2, 3, they are making lower highs. So it is a downtrend. So we shall be looking for sell signal on the 4th and on the 5th. But I prefer trading the 4th because the 5th might not be profitable or accurate. Are you getting it? Okay, so how do you do this? You have to locate these swings in the H1 and then go to MO1 or MO5 depending on what will give you the signal to locate the signal, like to get the entry. Now let me show you why this works. Let's go to M1. Remember that right here, the colors, the ones that have helped us to understand the sequence of the swing is the yellow, the brown, and the green. So the red and this blue will be our signals, but I prefer trading the 4th one, which is the red. Okay, now I'll go to M1. Now when I go to M1, we have 2 minutes left. When I go to M1, I'll be searching. You see that red? Because why I say that this red is going to hold is because this red is close to the end of the screen. Based on my end screen theory, I will drop the video link so that you can watch it. You see, this is a very huge sell signal. You see how you should have got over 27 pips. One lot size will give you over $270. Okay, you see. So we cut the red, but let's go to MO5. Let's go to MO5 and see if we can. You see, it's still holding. The red is still holding. It's close to the end of the skin. The end of the skin does not mean it will touch this top, but if it is at least the offset, if the offset is just 5%, we can take it. Like if it is touching this all these write-ups that they used to write on volatility market, we can take it as valid. It is also valid here. So you can see the 4th one is having issue. We have 1 minute. You have to move it to the left, which is wrong. The right signal should be the one that touches it as you move it both left and right. Are you getting it? So that's good. Thank you and bye for now.